I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh,
blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a darkness in the valley. Heavy branches crack and split. If we holler, will you hurry? Can you hear us through the wind? Blue sky come, dancing in between us. Take us up, lay us down. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a violence under our feet, running stitches through our home. Bring a lantern, bring joys not to be a crone. Blue sky come, hearken to our chorus. Tie us to your golden crown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not to our town.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so